Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Amazon simple email service. So this particular Amazon web service is very simple and it is meant for sending different kinds of emails, transactional email and other types of emails. So we'll discuss how it is very simple to set up this on Amazon and start sending the email within half an hour. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So Amazon simple email service. You can send all types of emails, transactional emails, marketing messages, or any other type of high quality content. The requirement is very simple. You just need to set up the SMTP credentials. SES allows a very good interface through which you can just create an SMTP credentials. This SMTP credential you can directly use in your code for sending email through programmatically. You just need to log into the AWS management console, and there we have a service for simple email sending service. You can just click on that, and next step is you just need to create your SMTP credential. Once your SMTP credential are created, you will have a server name, you will have a port, you will have a username and password through which you can send the email. Once your SMTP is there, you just need to verify the email from which you want to send the message, because that mail should be verified. Once the mail is verified, then you can start sending the SMTP, start sending transactional messages, marketing messages, or other types of messages. So it's very simple. You just log into your AWS management console, click on your Amazon SES service, and once it is there, you can just add a new email ID. Once that email ID is created, you just need to verify that in order to send email using programs, using Node.js, using Python. You can create your SMTP credentials and then send the mail. So friends, this was all about Amazon simple email service. Pricing is very low, so you can check the pricing part on AWS website. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.